Doing a DIY in the bathroom this weekend. I just installed tiles. The house and the kitchen are in total disarray. But that's no excuse for making a simple and quick dessert. And even while cooking another dish, join me and let's have fun as we learn how to make this simple mango and sago pudding here on Channel 1. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. I'm in the middle of doing a DIY here, but I can afford not to bring something to the garden. It's been a tradition, I bring the dessert. And bulalo, if you notice, I will be bringing bulalo as well. It's back home, it's mango season. And there should be a better way of serving mango. Or alternative way. And I'll be sharing that today amidst the chaos here. What we need are 3 ingredients. We need mango. Well, since I'm away from home, I'll be using frozen mango instead. And I think this is from Brazil. Yeah. Frozen or fresh mango. If you have access to fresh mango, and now is the season, you're lucky. First, the ingredients. Mango, coconut milk, sugar, and tapioca pearl, which I already boiled earlier. Now, let's just combine all. I'd like to start with the tapioca. This is more than enough. I don't know what to do with the rest. Can you recommend? What should I do with the rest? Freezing them is good, but you have to reboil to regain their texture. I'll be giving the exact quantity in the description box. This is still a bit warm, so I'll take advantage of the warmth to melt the sugar. I'll be adding about 1/4 cup of sugar. This is for 4, by the way. I mean 4 persons. And anyone can just add more if desired. The coffee should go away. The condensed milk. No particular order, by the way. Oh, did I say condensed milk? No. This is coconut milk. Fresh coconut, the better. And then, while it's still warm, I'll be adding, or while it's still frozen, I'll be adding the mango mango cubes, which are frozen. I hope you're finding this fun and instructive. Don't forget to subscribe for more of regular formats, not like this. Click the bell icon so you won't miss any uploads. So, another learning today, you can freeze your mango and you have mango until the next season. I'll just have to chill this, but before that, I think it's good to bring it to the garden like this. Let me just taste it. My plan was to put it in this glasswares, and I don't know. Yeah. Taste it, cameraman. Let's use this scoop. Yes. Let's make it more interesting by... Oh, yeah. So. Yikes. Yeah. Put it there. Well, this is easier. It's not elegant, but it's easy. And into the chiller or refrigerator. And I can continue with the bulalo. Now to my bulalo. And after an hour, it's time to bring the dessert and the bulalo to the garden and share it to my mother Grace and Alex. Hier liggen. Let's give it some stir and let's serve. Let's share it to our friends, to our neighbors. Manang Grace, yes. Come here. Let's see how Manang Grace reacts. This is our mango, sago, and coconut milk. I don't know the name, but I think it's mango pudding.
Mango? Ooh,
I don't know.
lekker.
Alex.
Lekker mango en tapioca.
Ja.
Kleine tapioca. Heerlijk, lekker.
Yoghurt, zei hij.
Zei je yoghurt?
Nee, dat is een yoghurt.
Het is tapioca met mango.
Je zei yoghurt.
Nee,
Mango.
niet een yoghurt.
Mango. Lekker.
Oh. Wat is er hier?
Dodo. Yummy, yummy.
Now, it's really delicious. Cameraman, yours. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time.